Hey y'all, it's Jamaican Beauty. So, this is day one of Journey to Dr. Jodi and Jamaican Beauty. Basically, in this series, I'm going to take you on a journey with me weekly on how I maintain my lifestyle, and not only that, push to get to the next level in my life that I see for me. So, first and foremost, my goal is to be a CFO, which is a Chief Financial Advisor. So educationally, my goal is to get a doctorate in business administration. Right now, I'm working on my business management and accounting associates of applied science, and I have about 4 or 5 more months till I get that degree. Then I'm going to jump right into getting my bachelor's. A little rundown. I am from Jamaica. I was born and raised there, lived there for 9 years. I moved to the U.S. because my mom got recruited at Biden Health, which is a major healthcare facility here on the east coast of North Carolina. And I've been going through the school system. I've always been on a roll, always been president list, always been smart. Nothing ever really came hard for me because in a third world country, we're already ahead. So, this is nothing for me. Education is a must. And I enjoy challenging myself mentally as I do physically. So on a physical level, I lost about 50 pounds 4 years ago, right before I had my daughter, who was about to be a year and a half, and I've lost 30 pounds since I had her, but I kind of probably gained back 5 or 10. So now that journey is to get back to not a number, but to a body image that suits me and makes me happy. So that journey I'm going to take y'all on as well. And then I'm also going through my spiritual and emotional journey. And I might have discussions every now and again concerning situations that are happening in my life and get help or tips from y'all, or give tips and advice to y'all as well from my experiences. So, I have a lot of goals. I want to be a great mother to my daughter, a great example. And I am currently working at a retail store called Furniture Fair, which has given me a lot of experience and needed skills that go right into the field of study I am in. And, I'm excelling there as well. And, I just have to thank God. He's good, y'all. And I've been through a lot. I've learned a lot. I've made a lot of mistakes. But although I fall, I always get up. And I know the power of God is more than enough to do that for me. So I'm excited, y'all. I can't wait to see what is going to unfold in my life. And I'm so happy to have you on this journey with me. Thank you from Queen Jamaican Beauty.